Introducing the Portable Handheld Video Pro 1.5 camera by LeakTronics. One of the amazing perks of this camera is the small diameter camera head. At just over a half an inch in diameter, users can navigate a straight run through 1-inch plumbing with ease and take multiple 90-degree turns in pipes as small as 1.5 inch, easily navigating the most common-sized pipes found in pool plumbing. One thing users love about this camera are the crystal clear optics in the onboard display. Measuring 7 inches corner to corner, the display offers a magnified view of the inside of the pipe. The camera has the ability to record, photograph, and even audibly notate what the user sees and offers instant video playback. The user-friendly controls allow users to flip the screen view to avoid overhandling the camera. With its ergonomic design, it's comfortable to hold in one hand while guiding the camera head with the other. The Handheld Video Pro is portable, so as you move from one location to the next, the camera easily moves with you. If you're coming from LeakTronics' standard Handheld Video Pro to the 1.5, you'll be familiar with the control settings. The one-touch button controls for scrolling through the menu options have remained the same and make it easy to use the full range of camera functions while effectively getting the job done. Like the standard Handheld Video Pro, getting through smaller diameter plumbing is easy. By applying a slight controlled push to the cable, you'll navigate corners and 90-degree angles with the smaller camera head with ease, and using the included pipe guide, the camera head stays centered in the pipe, offering a perfect view inside the entire diameter of the pipe. The camera has an SD card slot for high-capacity discs that will record and store 720p video for reference or to deliver to your customer. With the onboard microphone, you can notate and narrate your video with explanation of what you see. This can be used to show customers and coworkers your findings or to review later when deciding on repairs. By attaching the dye distribution tube to the lead, you're able to see how cracks and breaks ingest dye and identify breaks, cracks, and leaks. The LED lights in the camera head are adjustable, allowing the user to reduce glare and increase light on the video to clearly capture what's going on inside the pipe. These are just some of the many features on the new Handheld Video Pro 1.5. You can learn all about these features and more by logging on to LeakTronics.com, and you can add this versatile tool to your arsenal of professional leak detection equipment today.